Hello, I'm Steve, and this is the brand new Madjax X4, available in the UK exclusively from Golf Car UK and Utility Vehicles UK. Holiday parks, caravan parks, hotels, hospitality venues, golf clubs, in fact, any organisation who is looking to increase site effectiveness and efficiency, combined with a comfortable ride for staff and guests, look no further than the two-stroke four-seater utility vehicle packed full of style and technology, performance and comfort. There are many reasons to love the X4. We're going to very quickly look at three of them. First off, power. Under the seat is a 5 kilowatt AC motor and lithium battery system, which combine to give you smoother acceleration, more torque and less maintenance, which means for you, increased site efficiency, particularly if your site has challenging terrain. Secondly, comfort and design. Independent suspension all the way around. Luxury padded seating for up to 4 people. A 10-inch digital display with Bluetooth connectivity and wireless connectivity for 2 further devices. Under the seat, this is versatility at its finest. We have a flatbed goods transportation area, inside of which we have a weatherproof storage box. This is fantastic because it means you potentially can reduce the amount of vehicles on your site because it's multifunctional and it's going to save you money. So there we go, the Madjax X4. If your organisation is looking for a transportation vehicle which is smooth, comfortable, green, cost-effective, look no further. If you want to try it on your site for free, visit utilityvehiclesuk.com. We'll bring it to your site, no obligation, but you're going to love it. Thank you.